Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road, and I got an update for you guys that are purchasing our bumpers, especially for the Mercedes Sprinter. The new bumper, you will no longer need to cut this tow hook, and we used to cut this right here for the def tank because we had a bracket that goes around. So no longer do you have to cut this or this. Easy install as we supply you the stud. It's like this. So you would thread the stud in here all the way in until it stops. There you go, it stopped. Then we're going to reinstall, or install the bumper I should say. On the inside, which I'll show you, you have this lock washer that you're going to tight, and then this nut, it's going to tight together with the bumper. So it becomes one piece strong. You'll see it. You might have to use two hands, you guys. There it goes. Once you have it nice and snug by hand, we've been using 26 mil. It's a little tight on 26. You can use a crescent wrench as well. That works pretty good because you can actually just get it per size and you get it nice and tight. Bam! And you can continue assembling the rest of your bumper. Thanks, guys.